That should be a fish. Right there should be a fish. Yep. Oh my God. What is happening here? What is going on? Rain is definitely picking up. I really hope that this doesn't ruin my GoPro. This is not the trip I want my GoPro to break on. There's one. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, oh yeah. Look at him just coming in. Gotta love this new rod. There he is. There's the first. On a rainy day. An old rainy bass. It's awesome. Rainy bass. At least I'm not skunked. First time fishing in the rain, I catch a fish. That's awesome. I'm happy no matter what. Here's one. He's still on. Yeah, he's still on. No, he came off. Jesus Christ. These hooks just must suck. It's just freaking drag too. God damn it. Could have had 3 fish by now. Here's one. Yeah, there it is. Did he come off? Oh no, he's on. He's on. Oh yeah. Oh boy. Ow. Come here. Come here. That's 2. That's 2 in the rain. Pretty long. I can't believe they're biting right now. It's crazy. This is madness. I was real upset about the rain this morning, but now I don't really care about it. Pretty happy, to be honest.